Now, the US Senate has overwhelmingly passed a bill ordering TikTok's Chinese owners to sell the app within months or see it banned in the United States.
Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Let's talk about, look guys, it's official. Biden signs the bill that could ban TikTok, a strike years in the making. Lawmakers sped the proposal. You know what I'm saying? Like, he announced that he signed the legislation to ban or force the sale of TikTok. Just hours after Congress dealt the video sharing platform's Chinese ownership a historic rebuke following years of failed attempts to tackle app's alleged national security risks. So the Senate approved this 79-18 as part of the sprawling package offered to aid to Israel, Ukraine, and Taiwan. And Biden confirmed that he signed the bill into law during a White House address, though he did not directly address the language targeting TikTok. The provision now gives TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, roughly 9 months to sell the widely popular app or face a national ban, a deadline the president could extend by 90 days. So that's breaking news. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. It's fresh off the presses, as fresh as you can get. This fish just jumped out of the water, and I give it right to you very quick. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.